Good morning students. Chapter number 5, Nervous System. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed in this chapter up to sense organs, eyes and ears. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss the next one's organ is nose. So student, let's start. Nose. So student, what is the function of the nose? Yes student, to smell. And smell enter your nose through two holes called nostril. So there are two holes in your nose are called nostril. And the nose, nose open into the nasal cavity, and which is separated from the mouth. There is also a mouth. So this nasal cavity is separated from the mouth. There is a bony structure called palate. And the upper part of the nose has many cells that absorb the smell, generate the signals and then send them to the brain that help us to smell. Understand what I am saying student? Again, you can see this diagram clearly. You can see in your nose there the two holes are present. That is called nostril, two holes. Okay, so smell. How can you smell with your nose? With the help of these nostril. Two holes are present in your nose. So smell enter in your nose through these nostril. So these two holes are called nostril. Okay, so inside the nose there are also a nasal cavity are present, and this nasal cavity are separated. There is also a mouth. Below the nose there is a mouth also present student. So nasal cavity separate from the mouth. There is a bony structure called palate. Okay, so student, upper part of the nose has many cells, and these cells absorb the smell. जो upper part में जो cells हैं, they absorb the smell and generate the signal, and then these signals send to the brain, and then brain help us to smell. Okay, now student, next sense organs is skin. And student, what is the function of the skin? To feel. Okay, and it covers our entire body, and it is the largest sense organ in our body. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. But this skin is the largest sense organs in our body. And the skin has millions of tiny nerves. They have millions tiny nerves, and that are very sensitive to heat, cold and pain. You can feel the heat, cold also, pain also. There are millions tiny nerves, and the nerves below the skin send message to the brain. These nerves are present below the skin, and then if there is signal, and these signals send message to the brain for the processing, and then brain tells us what is things is hot and what is things is cold. Okay, now student, next sense organs is tongue. You can see tongue. What is the function of the tongue, student? Yes student, taste. It helps us to taste and also to speak. So student, there are the many taste bud in your taste bud. There are the many taste bud in your tongue, tiny taste bud. And these taste bud are sensitive to taste particles, how to taste, and dissolve in the saliva, and then these signals are then sent to the brain, and these messages help us to know the taste of the food, whether it is sweet, sour, bitter or salty. Okay, once again, what is the function of the tongue? Tongue help us to taste and also speak. and the surface of the tongues has many taste buds, and these taste buds are sensitive to the taste particles that dissolve in the saliva, and then these signal messages are then sent to the brain, and brain then instruct that which food is sweet, sour, bitter or salty. Okay, so there are the sweet, sour and bitter, whether food is sweet. Okay, now student, there is a real world also. This is a very important. You know student, skin help us to feel and cover our body, and you student, you know skin has also other function like wound healing, preventing infection, maintaining body temperature also. Healing, wound healing, if you have any injury, so skin help us to wound healing, preventing infection also, and maintaining your body temperature also. And you know student, your fingertips, this is the finger, so these fingertips are more sensitive than the other body parts. Okay, and then next is the brain can identify 4,000 different smell. Your brain, you know student, your brain can identify how much different smell? 4,000 different smell can be identified. Okay student, so we have completed this chapter. Now you will do these keywords in your fair notebook: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, neuron, spinal cord, reflex action, sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. We have discussed all these keywords, so you write in fair notebook. Okay, and then we will start the exercise. You can see this, and you can see there is the exercise also. Okay students, take care, bye.